In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Play Store back. If the Play Store icon has disappeared, won't open, or keeps crashing, don't worry. This usually comes down to one of three easy-to-fix issues. The app is disabled, its updates are corrupted, or the cache needs a refresh. I'll walk you through the safest methods in order, starting with the quickest fix. First, check if the Play Store is simply disabled. Open Settings on your Android device. Go to Apps, or it might be labeled Apps and Notifications on your phone. Tap. See all apps so you can view the full list. In the top right corner, tap the three dots and choose Show System Apps so system apps like the Play Store are visible. Scroll until you find Google Play Store and tap it. If you see an Enable button, go ahead and tap it. As soon as you enable the app, the Play Store icon should return to your home screen or app drawer, and you can open it normally. This is the most common fix, and it works instantly when the app was disabled by mistake. If the Play Store opens but behaves oddly, or you still can't get it to appear properly, reset it by removing its updates. Head back to Settings, then Apps, and open Google Play Store again. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right and choose Uninstall Updates. This takes the Play Store back to the factory version that came with your device. Now open the Play Store once more. It will automatically update itself in the background to the latest stable release. This is like giving the app a clean slate and often resolves bugs, crashes, and loading issues. If it still doesn't show up correctly or continues to act up, clear its cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, and open Google Play Store. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. If problems persist, you can also tap Clear Data to reset the app's local settings. Keep in mind that clearing data resets the Play Store's preferences, so you may need to re-accept terms or customize settings again. After clearing cache or data, restart your phone to complete the refresh and help the system recognize the app properly. To wrap up, start by enabling the Play Store in settings if it was disabled. If it seems broken, uninstall updates and reopen it so it can reinstall cleanly. And if it still resists, clear the cache, optionally clear data, and restart your device. Follow these steps in order and you should have the Google Play Store back and working smoothly.